Okay, so we're going to be installing DHM S1 cam on this 2024 Honda Monkey, and this cam here okay, so I removed the air box, so we have access to this cam cover here that we're going to need to make adjustment later on. And you don't need to drain the oil for this job. So first we're going to remove these inspection cover here so that we can get the engine to top dead center for marking and stuff. So that's a 10 mil Allen head, and this one is a 6 mil. Okay. And then we'll turn the engine here. Let's use a neutral. Okay, we'll turn the engine here to top dead center. And then that looks like T mark is there, and this marking is matching with that marking. So we're at top dead center, and we'll just wipe this off clean a little bit here. And we'll use some paint marker here to mark the chain here. That way it'll be easier for us to get it back on. That lines with the keyway there. Okay, now that's marked, we can remove the cam gear. Okay, and we'll just use pliers here to pull the cam gear out. And work the chain off cam gear. Set the cam gear there. Alright, and then we'll remove this bolt here for the retention bolt for the camshaft. Yeah. Okay, and we're going to remove the cam cover here. It looks like we do have a little bit of oil coming out the cam cap here. Okay, so I'm going to use this long bolt I have here to help me pull out this cam here. There we go. And I have to twist it around and fish it out. There we go. And that's the old cam. And then here's our new cam here. And according to DHM instruction, the larger bearing here, the outer bearing, can be removed for make installation a little bit easier. So I'm gonna put some oil on this. Okay, and then try to get the larger bearing here in. Okay, looks like that's in. And then we'll put our cam retention bolt here back on. Okay, so we'll torque this down to 8 foot-pound. And then we'll try to get the cam gear back on with our marking there. Okay, got that in. And then we'll get this bolt torqued down to 20 foot-pound. Okay, so I have the bolt secured but not torqued down yet, and we're gonna check, see if our timing is still good before we torque it down. And then top that cylinder down. And our marking on the cam gear is still good. So our timing is good. And then we'll need to keep this in here so we can hold it while we torque down. Okay. And then now we'll check for the valve clearance. And the instruction call for 5 thousandths. So I already got these loosened up here. Turn this on into this slight drag on the feeler gauge. And you can use a special tool for this. I'm just going to use pliers to hold it while I torque down. We'll check again. A little bit tight. I'm gonna loosen up a little bit. Okay, that's better. And then we'll do the bottom one. We'll have to lay on the ground here to get to this one. Okay, that feels like it's good there. And then we'll just put all the covers back on, and it should be good to go. This one doesn't look like it has any directional here. Okay, and then we install these inspection cover on the engine. Okay, so I have the air box back on. I don't have the external cover back on yet, but I'm going to be doing oil coolers here soon, so I'll leave that off for now.